In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this glowing outline material in Blender. This is a teapot mesh with a displace modifier added. This is without the modifier. Let's create a teapot. If you don't see that in the menu, please activate an add-on called Extra Objects. Ctrl 3 to subdivide. Right-click and shade Smooth to smooth the surface. This node won't work in Eevee. Here are the full nodes. We can customize the material like this. We can add the displace modifier after that. There are quite a number of texture types that we can use. Please experiment with all available settings to get the best looking result. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.